In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see Reels history on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to navigate to the settings and privacy, and then scroll all the way down until you find activity log here just underneath your activity section. Get into activity log and you will be taken to the place where you can check all your activity across the Facebook. Here we got a couple options how we can check our Reels history on Facebook, and the first way is to let's say first off filter that information. To do that, I recommend you to tap at that activity history button, then tap at filters, select categories, then tap at your Facebook activity, and then we can filter all our activities by some parameters such as, for example, comments and reactions. Unfortunately, there is no option here to see the history of all viewed Reels on Facebook, and in order to be able to find the Reels you like, I recommend you that you just like, comment or save Reels while you are watching them, and after that you will be able to tap at comments and reactions. Then you can select comments or likes and reactions, and it will show you all the content you have liked, reacted or commented, and then you can just go through this list until you find the reel you are looking for. Another way to check your Reels history on the activity log is tap at your Facebook activity, then scroll down until you find the Reels. Tap at this button to expand it, and then tap at your Reels. On that Reels history, it's all about our own Reels, and there we can find the information about the Reels we've shared, we commented on, we replied, all that stuff. Here's my Reel I shared about a half a year ago. I hope this video helped you guys, so don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.